In this video, we're going to get the G10 scaled folder done. Hopefully, it's going to be a much nicer folder, I feel like. I'm going to work on this spring, which is too thick. This one is too stiff. I'm going to make this one thinner, and hopefully it'll work a lot smoother.
It's not working.
This is what the blade looks like now. Okay, remember that. Let's go. Okay, and this is what it looks like now. I forgot about the thumb stud entirely. But luckily I have a piece of brass right here that's actually from my last thumb stud that I tried to make, and it didn't work. So now I can use it. Okay, looks really cool now. Now we're going to pull it off. I already marked the back a little bit with a pencil. Hopefully I can get this thing accurate enough to where I can, shape it all off, get it cut, and then put it on for real. Okay, now we're going to shape these, not shape, but beat down these washers. And I did some calculations and I switched over to metric momentarily because it's easier to do it in metric. I figured out it has to be 0.9 inches put together, so about 0.45 millimeters per washer. 0.4. Okay, we're done. Sand these very, very lightly because they're already kind of thin. What happened to it? I found it. Test fit up. This is how it looks. I'm not crazy about it, especially open. I don't think it looks very good, but it's okay. As always, using the titanium because it's my favorite material for pocket clips. thank you guys for watching. It's been quite a while since I actually made this knife, but it was really, really fun to build. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming this far. Please like this video because that really helps me in YouTube analytics. Please comment on this video so I know what you guys think about the channel, about the knives, about everything that's happening, so I know what to make more of. I want to build this channel. It's not growing. You guys can grow it. You're the only way to do this. So thank you. If you will, think about subscribing, like, comment, and I will see you in the next one.